What's she up to now? Day 1753. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. I'm showing you a picture of a tree because I'm actually staying in a tree house in Texas for my nephew's wedding. So, be you. Be yourself. Everybody else is already taken. Oscar Wilde, I think, is accredited with first saying this. I'm crooked. But today, that's the topic for our Be You 365-day challenge. Do one thing every day that improves us, as well as be yourself, or be oneself, being our idiom for supersize your business. Now, today is all about being ourselves, and I shared in the challenge 10 different ways Tony Robbins suggests that we can be our unique self. And I'm going to practice all of those today and figure out what I can learn. And one of those is to know yourself, right? We got to know ourselves before we can be ourselves. We have to live in the present moment, not in the past. We have to be open to change. We have to express ourselves. We have to focus on our strengths, things like that. And we have to find our community, be around our people, the people that love us and support us no matter what. And I have the opportunity to hang out with a lot of those people today for my nephew's wedding. So we talked about that. Be yourself, of course, being oneself. It dates back to the 1540s, and we can see it throughout all different areas and aspects of our life. The vast majority of people I observe, I don't think are being their authentic selves. They're putting on masks, they're putting on veils, and I was guilty of that as well, and I probably still do it a little bit. I mean, I put on makeup every day before I hop on video. And they said I don't frighten small children if they happen to see my video. But we have to, as we go through our life, figure out the things that we like and the things that we don't like. And it's going to be different for each and every one of us, right? The things that I like aren't necessarily the things that my siblings or my kids or my parents liked. We all have to find our own path and our own journey. That's what makes life really, really fun and really, really interesting. Just reminded of the wedding today. So my phone, so I'm glad I scheduled it, right? So today, as you go about your day, maybe use a tool that works for you to tap into and ask yourself, am I being who I really am? Am I comfortable in my own skin? Am I comfortable in the situations I find myself in? Or am I nervous and a little frazzled? Sometimes we get nervous and frazzled when we're around strangers. You know, it depends on whether we're introverted or extroverted. So that's it. I'm going to go have an absolutely amazing day with my family. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye. Go be yourself. Everybody else is taken.